Hi there, Lindsay, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about my favorite lipstick and my favorite lip liner. And I'm going to show you how I apply my lipstick and my lip liner. For lip liner, I'm using the Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner. And the shade is 06, A Girl's Dream. And that is the shade. And that's the name of the lip liner. And I'm going to outline my lips with the liner, and let me show you the shade. As you can see, it's quite a nice red, and I'm just going to use so much of the shade. There we go. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick, and this one is in E902C Bare It All. And this is how it looks. That is the shade, and that is the code of the lipstick. And then what I do, I just rub my lips together. And then just smooth the edges and apply a little bit more. And that's how I do my lipstick and my lip liner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!